The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra has been the subject of much speculation, with initial rumors suggesting its cancellation. However, it's now confirmed that the device will be released in select markets. A recent report from All Around PC indicates that Samsung is developing the Q6A, expected to launch in *** China and South Korea in October 2024, possibly under the name W25 in China. This foldable phone is rumored to be thinner with a larger screen than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, featuring a titanium frame but no S Pen support. Reports hint at a larger battery and improved cameras, but nothing is confirmed. Interestingly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 have set new pre-order records in India, with 40% more pre-orders than previous models. These achievements make them the most successful Galaxy Z series devices in the region. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video.